So here we are troubleshooting our code with Agentforce vibes. So I'm just quickly gonna click on app launcher and I'm gonna search for Agentforce. So I'm gonna choose this Agentforce adventure tools. So here we have very super cool quick dice roller page. So I'm gonna click on any button to roll a die, say for an example 6 of d12. So here it shows roll saved, and if we get a summation it's showing undefined. Let's troubleshoot this. So in order to get the summation correctly, we are gonna use Agentforce for this. Let's go to our ID. So here I'm just gonna run some comments. What is the username of the Salesforce org I'm currently connected to? So here it come up with my org. Let's wait for the API request to get processed. So if we are connected to our playground, here it should show our username, which is currently showing here. And now let's press Ctrl Shift and E. So this will open up the file explorer view. Let's create a folder here. So let's go to new folder and I'm gonna give name to my folder followed by enter. So let's now create a new file under this manifest. Click on new file and I'm gonna paste one XML name and I'm gonna paste my code over here. And now let's Ctrl S to save this, and I'm gonna click on this Agentforce vibe icon and I'm gonna click on start new task to enter my prompt. It's for retrieving. Let me give it over here. You fast approve the comment and let's use your default org. So here it says task completed, and now let's open our command prompt. For that, let's Ctrl Shift and P. I'm gonna paste my command over here for retrieving, and I'm gonna click on retrieve source in manifest from org. So the source from org successfully ran. So now I'm gonna use this Agentforce to format my code. Let me enter some cool prompt over here. And I'm gonna click on run command. So this is suggesting all the commands to run. So I'm just simply gonna click on run command. We can see the magic over here. If you click on see new changes, this will compare and it will allow us to see what are all the changes that has been currently done in our code. So now we are good to deploy. I'm just gonna click on start new task, and here is my prompt for deploying this. So this is gonna deploy to my default org that I have connected, and this is asking for approval. I'm gonna approve it. So here we go, we got our changes deployed to our org, and let's go back and refresh this once. So now upon rolling any dice, it should give the correct summation, which is giving the right summation now, because we have modified the code and now it is working as expected. And now let me open up my JS file. So I'm gonna give one more prompt over here by clicking on start new task, and then let me give my prompt for removing our track decorator. Let's see how it is working now. So this time I have given auto approval, so this is gonna work without any approvals. This is comparing and modifying my code. And this has access to make any changes. As we could see, this is making changes, and we are gonna deploy this once it is done. So here it shows remote track decorator, and our task is completed. And let's deploy this now. Let me give your deployment prompt, and our deployment is success. So this is one such super cool feature that is available for devs in Agentforce. So see you all next time. Until then, bye bye.